Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the video. Today we are doing commercial grates. It's a inn that has some grates like that. We also have a couple that we've already done. They were horrendous. I mean, they look good now. I got a couple here hanging. They were awful. They had like an inch of scale. So two of them, we were able to get the scale off. We got it down. We mobile blasted it because dry blasting wasn't working. Mobile blasted it, got it down to bare metal. This one right here, I don't think I can show you the side of it, how torn up. I think you can see the Swiss cheese. That's how they were when we come. A lot of it was thick metal, and when we tore away at the layers of metal, it came to nothing. So I know you can go over rust. I mean, it's metal. You can powder over it, it still sticks. So I called the customer up and I was like, hey, two of these are at the point, if I get all the rust off, there's not gonna be nothing. What I can do is scale it down, get all the scale, all the light stuff, and then that stuff that's there hard, powder over it. It's definitely his choice, which way he wants to go. He said basically, he's thinking about getting new ones anyways. Let's just get him through powder coating. So we got all the light scale off with a needle. I don't know what that thing is called. Anglerad needle thing. So we got all that off, and then we powder coated everything, or then we blasted everything. Got it clean. Everything looked nice. It was white, right down to white metal. And then we just powder coated everything, and they turned out awesome. So very, very happy with that. So I also threw in, my buddy wanted his grill to his Jeep done in the same black super grip. So somewhere's in this video, I'm gonna throw a couple clips, I think powder and then the finish. We blasted it the other day. It had paint on it. When we blasted it off, it went down to chrome. So no wonder the paint was chipping. Somebody put paint over smooth chrome. I think it's spray can paint. So that makes sense. So we did mobile blast it, and then we powder coated over it. So you'll see that. That's just like a little free tidbit in the video. So what's going on with us? First, 1K giveaway is right around the corner. If you want to join the 1K giveaway and a chance to win, go to a link up here, watch that video. It will explain how to enter for one entry, and somewhere during the video is an Easter egg on how to do a second entry. I don't care, we're gonna go through it. The people that have the 2 entries are gonna keep in there. People with only 1 entry, we're gonna just take out any of the others. And if somebody that has a second entry wins, good for them. That being said, I just need to relax. It's been a long day. That being said, we are doing mobile blasting. We are gonna put projects on this channel. So if we go into a project, like 75% of the time, we're gonna put projects on this channel, because when we're out mobile blasting, we're not powder coating, and they kind of go hand in hand, but they don't. That way you guys have content. If you want to watch some blasting stuff, which we got some cool blasting footage today. If you want to watch some blasting stuff, go to our Resurrection Mobile Blasting channel. Link up here somewhere. And subscribe. We're going to put probably shorts up there, little videos, bloopers, who knows, you know, things mobile blasting related, not powder coating. And then powder coating, if like last week, I didn't do no powder coating because we've been out mobile blasting. So I took some mobile blasting footage and I put it on this channel. So we'll do the same thing. We'll put powder coating, or if we don't powder coat for a while, we will do mobile blasting. So I apologize. This rant has been going on 5 minutes and 8 seconds. So I will leave you to the video. Enjoy the video. If you have any questions, reach out to us on Facebook. And like I said, please go to our, wow, I'm tired. It's late. Go to that video I showed you earlier and join the 1K giveaway. Okay, guys. Peace. I'm not. Hey guys, so we're doing the grates, as you guys know. There was really thick scale on it. I don't remember if I said this already in the intro, but we contacted the owner or the person that has these and told me, like, if we blasted all the scale, it'd rip through everywhere. So where it is super thick, we're getting all the loose stuff off, and then we blasted it, and we were actually able, even with the thicker rust that we left, we were able to blast it clean on the outside with our mobile blaster. So everything went down, like you saw in the video, went right down to white metal, which is awesome. So we're putting on a super grip. He does know I did suggest to him to replace them. I think there was one out of the three that I would probably keep. The other ones were beat. So if he replaces them and then we maintain them once every couple of years, we blast them and do them, I think they'll last a long time. But so yeah, we're doing super grip on them. Of course, no top coat or anything. So we just did one. We're getting another one. We're hot flocking, of course, Faraday Cage Nightmare, and we'll see how that goes. Okay. Turn it one more angle. Other way. I want the hardest part facing me first, since it's going to cool down. Yep, right, that's good. Right.
A little in that corner.
Oh, you got a little to do?
That right there, like facing down. See?
Did I get it?
And a little down in there.
I'm even trying to get up in these creases here.
Yeah, you got the back side really good on the creases.
Yeah, this one was... I think this was the worst one, if I remember right.
Possibly second to worst.
Oh yeah, I think Mr. Holy out here. Right from here, look. Right from here I can see. Check them holes out. Yeah. Hey, but he just needs them to get probably through another year, and as soon as this year is done. So, okay. That's it for that. We'll show you when it comes out. Frickin' bug. Okay, ready?
kill it.
Hey guys, I figured while we're doing grates, so this is my buddy's grill to his Jeep. You just saw it a few minutes ago. It was painted. When we took the paint off, it ended up being chrome underneath. So he wants it grip black. So here's how it looked now. I wasn't planning on doing a video of it, so I'm just throwing it in this for a little extra content, and I'll show you how it looks at the end. Okay, so this was the worst grate. Actually turned out pretty nice looking compared to what it was, but see, you can see on the back what we were talking about. And here's my buddy's grill. Looks pretty sharp. And the other grates. This was pretty bad too, and it came out looking nice. This one did too. So long ass day, actually long ass couple days, but project is done.